Today we're going to learn how to season soapstone vessels.
So we are going to use castor oil and turmeric, and that is all you need to season these vessels. To be very honest with you, I've never used a soapstone vessel, or I have never seen my mom or my grandmother use it. I have seen my next door neighbor auntie, she has used it, and I have just seen that. So all this I'm doing right here, I know I'm doing it confidently and all that, but actually it's just book knowledge. It's just what I read somewhere. I'm just doing it. So even though it's just 2 ingredients and all you have to do is just apply on it, it's a lengthy process, guys. So you have to apply the castor oil mixed with turmeric all over the vessel. So I got 2 vessels, just to try it out. So I applied it on both, and you have to keep it in the sun for like 10 days. So I thought it's going to be sunny, and then I started this process. You all know, right? Texas weather, it wasn't always sunny, but somehow we made it dry and all that stuff. So after 10 days, you got to take it out, wipe everything as much as you could with a tissue paper. So you could see on the sides how all the oil has dripped down. So the stone took as much as it could, and the rest of it is down there. So you wipe as much as you could, and then pour hot water on it. So we're just trying to take out the oil, the turmeric that's on the top, and whatever is absorbed is in there. So we're just trying to clean the surface now. So pour hot oil. Pour hot water, just enough to fill the vessels. Let it cool. I really mean it. Let it cool. Since it's stone, it retains heat for a very long time. Take it from me, guys. It's going to be hot for a while. So just go to something else. So and try to wipe it up. Just clean it nicely, just enough to you don't have to use any soap or anything. Just wipe it up. So the next thing we're going to do is pour rice water into it. So what's rice water? You just boil the rice, you just strain the rice after it's cooked, and whatever water that's left out is rice water. And then you pour it and submerge both of them, since we're doing both. And then you have to keep this for 5 days. So 5 days, it was iffy, so I kept it in my garage for 5 days because I knew it's gonna smell. Oh, it was smelling, guys, by the end of it. But that's part of the process. So it's not like you can do anything about it. So I took it out, I washed it nicely, gave it a nice rinse with soap this time, because now you're allowed to use soap. So you're pretty much done with the process. So you can use soap to like scrub it out, whatever you're not going to disturb the seasoning anymore. So you be very liberal with your soap, and keep maybe use the hot water setting in your tap and clean it up. So we are pretty much done, right? At this point I was like so proud of myself that I'm doing something 2 generations before me didn't do it. It didn't end well, guys. I'll show it at the end of the video. Oh, I did make a mistake. So we washed up nicely. I was told that we have to introduce heat slowly. So I filled the vessel with water, and I'm gonna heat it up just till the water gets like warm enough, right? It shouldn't be roaring boil or anything like that. It shouldn't boil with bubbles. That's too much heat. So that is what I did. And this vessel, it was perfect and all that. I should have just done one at a time, right? On the side, I was doing the other one. And I got super excited. I did this. Now it's ready to cook. And you know what I did? the cooking pot came out good on both. And then I started to oh, come on, let's cook on it. But this heat remains inside for a very long time. So what happened was I heard a pop and it broke. A chip came off, but it was fine. I cooked 2 dishes in it and it's coming in the later videos. See you guys. Bye-bye.